Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be making coffee hot chocolate pudding using Tiggle's new coffee-infused hot chocolate flavor. This is going to be a hit amongst coffee and chocolate lovers alike. Also, just sharing a discount code that you can use on Tiggle's website to get a discount on your hot chocolate. Now these are all the ingredients you're going to need to get started, so let's begin. So first off, I'm taking 1/3 cup of the Tiggle coffee-infused hot chocolate and adding that to a saucepan. Also add in some cornflour to thicken up your pudding. Then add 100 ml of the milk and whisk till you get a thick paste. This is just so that you avoid having any lumps in your pudding. You can use a spatula and continue mixing. Once the hot chocolate has dissolved, you can add the remaining milk and mix till you get a uniform mixture. Now place this on a low flame and continue mixing until the mixture thickens. After a few minutes, your mixture should thicken like so. Continue to mix and also add in your chopped chocolate. Mix that in until the chocolate has melted. And you can switch off your flame after this. The pudding mixture should be thick and it should coat your spatula. Your pudding mixture is ready now and you can pour the mixture into some ramekins or any other dish. Now I like to take some cling wrap and place it on top of the pudding so that it touches the surface of the pudding. This is to avoid any cream layer forming on the top of the pudding as it cools down. And once the pudding has slightly cooled down, you can place it in the refrigerator. And then the next day, it's time to dig in. I love to top these with some chocolate vermicelli. This is completely optional. And you can also use chocolate chips instead. And then dig in and enjoy. This pudding is so creamy and chocolatey, and I love the coffee flavor that kicks in. This would be perfect for breakfast if you're feeling like having a little dessert for breakfast. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to let me know down in the comments below if you tried it and how you found it. And if you have any other Tiggle Hot Chocolate recipe ideas, do share down as well. Do not forget to use my discount code to get your own Tiggle Hot Chocolate. The website link is in the video description. I hope you're having a lovely holiday season, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye and take care.